A very good morning, dear students. Today's chapter is 2 football and section B. It is continuing and topic is fundamental skills and techniques. So students, here is many types of fundamental skills and techniques. The first is passing, the second is trapping, third is dribbling, fourth is heading, fifth is tackling, sixth is shooting, seventh receiving, and eighth goalkeeping. So students, first we discuss about passing. So students, passing is the very important fundamental skill in football. Here are two types of passing. The number one is short pass and number two is long pass. Here are only two types of passes, short pass and long pass. So firstly you explain short pass. So students, the short pass are usually given to teammate who is very close. So the player given to the short pass. The second is long pass. So students, the long pass are used to have more or move the ball fast on the field. Such passes should be good mutual understanding between the teammates, then given the long pass. The second is trapping. Trapping means students की meaning क्या है, what is the meaning of trapping? तो the meaning of trapping is to bring the ball under control before starting a move or executing a proper kick. So students, the five types of trapping are here: in step trapping, out step trapping, thigh trapping, chest trapping, and head trapping. So firstly we explain or understand about in step trapping. So student, in step trapping should be done by balancing the body on the free foot. Student, the trapping foot should be raised up as the ball comes down and should be turned along with the leg to press the ball against the ground with the instep as soon as it touches the ground. The second is out step trapping. So students, out step trapping is like a in step tracking, and the only difference in this trapping is only the difference is that it should be done with a turn of the foot and the leg outwards before trapping. And third is students, thigh trapping. So student, it is done by our thigh. So students, this trapping, the ball is to be controlled with the thigh. Then after students, chest trapping. So students, mostly the chest trapping used when the ball is coming high, so the ball stop help with the chest. So students, the chest trapping, a player should lean back slightly and allow the chest for the ball. Then after students, head trapping. So students, head trapping, let the ball hit your head, and at the time don't put a lot of power into it. So students, it is trapping to or try to stop the ball with head. So it is head trapping. So students, there is five types of trapping. Then after students, dribbling. So student, dribbling क्या है? Dribbling is the control on the ball. तो dribbling students, तो dribbling को बोलते हैं, for proper dribbling a player should use light strokes for controlling or handling the ball of his feet to direct the ball in a decreases direction. For dribbling he may use inside or outside of his feet the control the ball. It is a skill of forwarding the game. Then after students, heading. So student, heading is it is also important fundamental skills. A player should judge the flight of the ball and wait for the proper time to take jump. Then after students, tackling. So student, firstly we know about the tackling. Tackling होता है क्या student? Tackling means making efforts to take the position of the ball. Means the opponent or attacker team want to make a position, his his position on the ball. So here is two types of dribbling. The first is block tackling and second is kicking the ball away. So we discuss about first the block tackle. So students, for block tackling, a defender should wait for a proper opportunity to strike the ball when it's slightly away from the feet of an opponent. So students, it means at the time a defender should extend his leg to place his blocking foot and leg in front of the ball to stop it from moving on. Then after students, kicking the ball away. So students, the attacking team player near the opponent goal post or defending goal post, so defender player want to save his goal, so he hit the ball away from the field. So it means kicking the ball away means outside of the field. Then after students, 6 number, shooting. So here is 4 types of shooting, means in step drive or shot, surveyor shot, chip shot and toe punt. And student, 7th point is receiving. So it is also a skill, a fundamental skill of the game, receiving the ball of his teammate. Then after students, number 8, goalkeeping. So students, the goalkeeping is the most important skill or the most important person of the team. The students, the whole match depend on the goalkeeper. If the team's goalkeeper is weak, so the team lose his match. So students, the goalkeeper has to be skillful, agile, active and fit person. Then he save more and more goals and help to his team. So students, today we learn fundamental skill and techniques. The first is passing. So here is 2 types of passes, short pass, long pass. Second is trapping. Here is 5 types of trapping: in step trapping, out step trapping, thigh trapping, chest trapping, head trapping. And third is dribbling, and fourth is heading, and fifth is tackling. So here are 2 types of tackling: block tackling and kicking the ball away. And 6 is shooting. So here is 4 types of shooting: in step drive or shot, surveyor shot, chip shot, toe punt and receiving, and last is goalkeeper. So students, I hope you understand properly. Thank you. Have a marvelous day.